Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. How are you doing today? Today, we're going to have a quick tip on 6 ways to create business invoice. So I'm calling this one My Pigs. My Pigs. So why do I say M-I-E, my? Just like we say pie, I'm calling this one my. All right, so the first tip is we can use Microsoft Word to create an invoice. We also can use Invoice to Go to create an invoice. We can use Excel and spreadsheets to create an invoice. Now, with Microsoft Word and Excel, they are part of the same family. So you would have to pay a subscription to use Microsoft Word or Excel, which is part of Microsoft Office. Let's go down to the next set, PayPal. PayPal can be used to create an invoice, and you can also use that to collect money. So you can use PayPal and you can use that to collect money. You can also use this called Intuit QuickBooks. Intuit QuickBooks can be used to create an invoice, and you also can use that to collect money. I know to collect money, it works well in the USA. I have not tried it in other countries, but I know you can use it also like PayPal to collect money. Also, it is comprehensive. That means you can get your profit and loss, you can get your balance sheet, you can get all the accounting documents you need in QuickBooks that you would give to your auditors. And every country has auditors, so you would need that. You could use QuickBooks for that. It is very comprehensive, and we'll talk about more about QuickBooks in another slide. Google Docs. Google Docs is created using your Gmail. So when you have a Gmail account, you can also get access to what they call Google Docs. Google Docs can be used to create a free invoice. It can be used to create forms, order forms for your products. You can utilize this and it gathers all the information in one area. So just like QuickBooks, it is also comprehensive. There's many differences to both of these. One is for accounting QuickBooks. Google Docs is for many things, but it's not comprehensive as QuickBooks. So we'll talk about that later, what other functions they have. Then we have the next one they call Stripe. Stripe is an online payment system and can also use to create invoices. It is international also. So you can use Stripe internationally for online payments. You can use it when you're in the travel industry. So just to let you know that these are some quick ways or some ways to create business invoice. Again, M for Microsoft Word and E for Excel. They can be used in the Microsoft program, right? Office 365, that kind of programs, they have that. So in the Microsoft suite, they call that too. You can utilize that Microsoft suite, right? Now, Invoice to Go may offer you some trial invoices, but then you have to also pay for subscription. So many of these, you have to be paying for subscription. And I want you to realize that. Also, when you're using all of these to create your invoice, please save them as a PDF. Why? You don't want when you create your invoice, it comes back to you modified. So you would have to save them as a PDF before sending them out to your clients. So PayPal, it is free. Google Docs, it is free. QuickBooks, you have to pay for. Stripe, you have to pay for. So out of all of these, there's 2 of them that are free, PayPal and Google Docs. And as technology changes, some of these may not stay free. But for right now, as of today, I'm speaking, they are free. So thank you for watching, and I'll send out more quick tips. This one is My Pigs. So M for Word, Microsoft Word, I for Invoice, E for Excel, P for PayPal, I for Intuit QuickBooks, G for Google Docs, and S for Stripe. Thank you again for watching and have a beautiful day.